If you ain't living, you ain't riding. And if you ain't riding, you ain't living. Alright, so this is my homie's bike. Like less than 24 hours ago, it was a running bike. We pretty much could have bought any other bike, but it had flames and it had barbed wire, so we bought it. The dude said it had its top end done, but he looked me in the eye and he lied. The top end was done. Half of the top end was done. Base gaskets, untouched. The gasket that goes right above the jug, untouched. But the rocker covers, blah, 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 that was all brand new. Look at this side. I asked him, dude, is the lip cracked? Because it's such a common issue. He looked me dead in the eye and he said, no. As soon as I pulled the primary cover off, the lip wasn't even there. So I guess he didn't lie. It can't be cracked if it's not there anymore.
It's like that meme, like, I hope it's not cracked. And it's like a picture of like a crack.
Yeah, you got to put that on. So, yeah, I'm going to file that down. I'm going to put one of those K-Saver gaskets on. I mean, whatever. I don't care that much. Like, we were going to take this bike apart anyways. Whether it was a fucking $2,000 bike or a $9,000 bike, I probably would have took it home and tore it down anyways. So, whatever. That's that one. Finally finished the black bike. I rode it around and it's been fun, but I bought a new twin cam and yeah, the twin cam's going in. What else has been going on in the garage? I put the fairing on the RP. That fairing was all cracked and whatnot. My buddy knew a guy who painted it for me, so fixed the cracks, painted it. Got these lights right here for $5 at a swap meet. Wired them in. Clear view shield. What else? Oh, Daniel, get my Japanese key hanger that I put right there. Yeah, that was a keychain. Kind of cool.
That's cool.
Got West Coast T-bars. Flip my gauges around. Yeah, there's that. I guess the big thing going on right now is that thing and that thing. And then that thing going in the other thing. Lots of things, you know? Alright, so, she came with everything Arlen S. Arlen S risers, Arlen S bars, Arlen S grips, Arlen S that stuff, Arlen S blah, 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 blah. So this bike is getting mids. That thunder header on the floor over there. Excuse the messy garage. Okay, mids, thunder header. I'm gonna go really, really tall in the front, taller risers, taller in the back. Basically, my buddy's giving me free reign on this whole bike. He said, "Oh, dude, I just like how your bikes are, so I get to treat this as my bike, but it's not my bike." So, if you ever hit me up, this is how I work. Just let me do what I want, and don't say anything about it. Yo, what up? Daniel asked me to record a little something. But yeah, this is me getting ready for the Frisco Chopper Show. It was probably like 6 a.m.-ish or something like that. Cold, foggy, windy. Couldn't see anything. But, you know, just gotta deal with it. Gotta ride. I pretty much just rode in the slow lane the whole time. It looks better on camera, but in real life you can barely see what's in front of you. By the bridge, it kind of lightened up. Actually lightened up a lot. I could see again and ride comfortably again. That was a whole experience. Met up with Eddie at the barber shop on the way to the show. There's his 03 Dyna. That thing is sick. All blacked out. Tight. And here's my bike at the show. Front and center. I got my own row. Nobody there. Does that mean I'm cool or what? I don't know. Yep, sexy red right there, front and center. Shout out everybody that came and said what's up.
For the two.
We're out here, dude. Frisco Chopper Show, baby. You see it.
Oh, this FXR was sick. Came from the East Coast. I think his name was Chris. He also came with his friend, also from the East Coast. It'll pan over to that soon. I think the other guy's name was also Chris. Not this one. This one's tight too. But that white and green one was clean. Crazy to see these bikes in person after you see them on Instagram. But here's this sick RP with the little Motorola box on the back. That thing is cool.
Are you